Dome dreams unfolding here. In the heart of Ridgecrest, California, where the earth once trembled and communities were tested, a new dream is taking root. Mass Domes begins with a group of children orphaned by disaster, now the first residents of a dome-based microeconomy. Inside these resilient geodesic domes, powered by the sun and sustained by micro-utilities, creativity and survival intertwine. Their days are spent learning practical skills, trading handcrafted goods, and rebuilding their futures using dollar dome tokens, a blockchain-fueled currency now thriving on XP market. Each dome pulses with life and purpose. One is dedicated to sound healing, another to immersive art, a third to spiritual meditation, and others to regenerative agriculture and vocational workshops. Free from the constraints of the grid, the children discover empowerment through hands-on experience, while the architecture itself stands as a testament to innovation and safety amidst seismic uncertainty. This movement is more than shelter, it's a sanctuary for culture, healing, and growth. Born from the intersection of spirituality, architecture, real estate, sustainability, music, and the arts, Mass Domes offers a living ecosystem where resilience is cultivated and hope is restored. Every dome becomes a beacon, inviting others to imagine a future where communities thrive in harmony with nature. Mass Domes is not just a project, it's a blueprint for conscious communities of tomorrow. With 5 acres as our launchpad, we invite you to witness this vision unfold at massdomes.com. Share the journey and help us build momentum, one dome at a time, one dream at a time.